Hello friends, welcome to the new video of the web store 028. So those who are using the old script or they are adding number from the developer app, they must be facing the issue like after adding OTP also the number is in pending. So this issue is from last 15 days I guess. So as I am telling everyone that Meta have updated so many security features. So this is the one of the security update from that. So you have added the OTP. You can check here OTP is added, but number is still in pending, so you cannot use it. So finally, I have cracked it. How to solve this problem? So I will tell you how to do it. So you just have to add the number normally, like you add it. So once it is shown in the pending, what you have to do? Click here on generate access token. Okay, so in generate access token what you have to do, you just select the same business manager again which you have selected, and what select opt in all current and future accounts and save it. Done. This is a small security update from the Meta have not released any document for this. It took almost 3 to 4 hours for me to crack this up. So but finally I got through it. So now temporary access token is generated. What we will do, we will go and we'll refresh the page and we'll see if the number is added or not. If number is not added, then we have another solution for it. And as you can see, the number is connected now. So this is a very small step which you have to perform to make the number active. I hope you got the point what you have to do. Still, if you are facing any issue, just WhatsApp me or on my number. I'm always there.